Hey guys, David Patrick Green, davidpatrickgreen.com, hackhollywood.com, actorpower.com. Okay, I'm going to tell you one of the best ways to make the most out of pilot season. Okay, you guys are all excited about pilot season. It kind of runs from who knows when to who knows when. I think theoretically it's kind of a January to April thing. Could go as far back as November, could start as late as February, could go as late as May, who knows. But if there still is such a thing as pilot season, and there must be because I've seen all kinds of people trying to sell me stuff about how to do well at pilot season, if that does exist, then I'm going to tell you how to make the most out of it. And the way to make the most out of pilot season is to not actually try and get auditions at all. The best way to make the most out of pilot season is to try and develop relationships by helping out the people that are going crazy and that are so busy they can't even see you. You may have noticed if you've tried to get an agent or tried to approach people during pilot season that they say, "I'm way too busy to meet people." Casting directors, "I'm way too busy to see actors because I'm too busy casting actors during pilot season." I know, it's a bit weird, but stay with me. So what you can do instead of trying to get meetings with these people like casting directors and agents, if you have an actual long-term career approach to your acting career, then, and you must, right? Because it's called a career. It's not called a, "I hope I get lucky when I go to LA for 2 months and then that'll be it. That'll be my acting career. I'll just go there for a couple of months and I'll book a pilot because I don't have any acting experience, but they're going to want me to be a star in their TV show." I mean, that sounds logical, right? So anyway, if you've gone to LA and you want to boost your acting career and it happens to be pilot season, then this is what you do. You approach these people, and when they come out yelling and screaming at you because you walked into their office with this awesome offer, when they come out yelling and screaming at you, you say, "Hey, what are you guys yelling and screaming at me for?" And they'll say, "Because actors should never walk into a casting office, or actors should never walk into an agent's office without being specifically invited or otherwise recommended by an industry luminary," which you of course do not know because you have no acting experience. Which makes our whole request sound really silly, because how could you possibly get a referral from somebody you've never met because you've never done anything professional in your life? So there's a lot of catch-22s in the whole entertainment industry, as there are in most industries. But how you get over that is to say, "Hey, slow down there a minute, take it easy. I'm actually not here to get represented by you. I'm actually not here for an audition. I'm actually here to help." And they'll go, "What? What do you mean, help? Help me do what? We don't have time for that." Well, here's a list of some of the things I could do for you. Do any of these things sound like they might be helpful to you? And if you've done your homework, done a little research on who these people are, and you entertain them with a joke or two, charm them a little with your amazing personality, they will settle down and they will listen to your actual offer, which is an offer to help. And even if you are offering only acting services, you need to remember you're there to help, because without an actor, they can't fill the role. So you're not there to get a favor, you're there to help. But since they're too busy to see actors because they're busy casting actors, then help them do something that will help them with all this busyness they find themselves faced with. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. There are some details. I mean, some of the details that I would have you do is basically compile a list, a short list of some of the most likely candidates for your services, meaning you are attracted to the project they are involved with, and you take another list of your skills that you think might be relevant to these people who are on the list of people you want to become involved with, and match them up. Approach these people directly is best, because face-to-face interactions are about 1,000 times more powerful than a telephone call, which is another 1,000 times more powerful than an email, which is another 1,000 times more powerful than a social media post. So approach them, introduce yourself, let them know what it is you have to offer on that particular occasion, and tell them how much time you have in your hands and what it is you propose to do for them. And if they don't like the sounds of that, then ask them if there's something else that they need doing and maybe you can do it. And if they say no, don't worry. That doesn't mean you shouldn't do something because somebody says no. It just means you need to try somebody else, okay? Because what you're selling is your services. They are buying your services, your ability to help them. Like you're selling a vacuum cleaner, like you're selling bottled water, like you're selling a refrigerator. It does a function. Do you need this function? Yes or no? If it's no, that's okay. I'll find someone who does. And that's it. Have a great day. Thank you so much for your time. And maybe I'll check back in the near future because maybe your needs will have changed. That's it. Thank you very much. I'm David Patrick Green. If you like this, give me the thumbs up. Ask me a question. Write a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you get more videos just like this, and I will talk to you soon.